You have a job, a salary, a contract, a LinkedIn profile, but you've never been to the office because the office doesn't exist, and neither, in any way that legally matters, do you. Level 1. The offer. It starts with an email. Not a cold one, a warm one. Someone you met at a networking event 3 months ago. Someone forgettable, pleasant, professionally dressed. The subject line reads, Consulting opportunity, flexible, remote, well compensated. You open it. The company is called something like Viridian Solutions Group or Northgate Advisory Partners, a name that sounds real but means nothing. They're looking for a logistics coordination analyst. You don't fully understand what that means. Neither does anyone else. That's the point. The salary is $4,200 a month. For what they're describing, that's too much. You notice, but you don't say anything. You reply. Level 2. The onboarding. You get a contract via DocuSign, 12 pages, dense, full of words like proprietary channels, non-disclosure obligations, and operational confidentiality. You skim it. You sign it. 2 days later, a laptop arrives at your door, brand new, pre-configured, a company email already set up in your name. Your title, Senior Coordination Analyst. Your manager's name is David Chen. You email David Chen on day 1. David Chen replies within 4 minutes, every time, no matter what hour you send it. You will never hear his voice. You will never meet him. But the replies are always professional, warm even. Your first task is simple. Forward incoming invoices from one email to another, log them in a shared spreadsheet, mark them as processed. That's it. You do it in 40 minutes a day. The rest of the time, you wait. The money hits your account on the 1st of every month. Clean. On time. Every time. You stop asking questions. Level 3. The routine. 3 months in. You've settled into it. Wake up, open the laptop, move some numbers, close the laptop. The invoices come from companies you've never heard of. Addresses in Cyprus, Malta, a few in Delaware. You don't look them up at first. Then one day you do. Half of them don't have websites. The ones that do have websites look like they were built in an afternoon. Stock photos, generic text, no phone numbers. You close the tab. David Chen emails you with a new task. He needs you to sign off on a set of vendor agreements as internal reviewer. You're not a lawyer. You have no financial credentials. You sign anyway. You get a $500 bonus that month. You buy new shoes. You stop looking things up. Level 4. The expansion. They give you a second role. Same company, different division, different email address, different name on the signature block. You are now also Marcus Webb, Operations Consultant. You don't question it. Marcus Webb has his own inbox, his own set of vendors to manage, his own invoices to forward. You are 2 people now. The pay reflects it. $7,800 a month, split across 2 direct deposits from 2 different holding entities. You upgrade your apartment. You tell your family you landed a great remote job. They're proud. They don't ask too many questions. Neither do you. But at night, sometimes, you open those spreadsheets and just look at the numbers. Hundreds of thousands of dollars moving between entities, routed through accounts in 4 different countries, and your name, or Marcus Webb's name, sits right in the middle of it, a signature on the chain, a name to point to if anyone ever needs one. You feel it for the first time then, the weight of what you actually are. Level 5. The value. David Chen schedules a call, First one ever. It's a voice memo, pre-recorded, 2 minutes long. He tells you you've been an exceptional asset, that they'd like to expand your responsibilities, that a new structure is being set up, and they'd like you involved at a deeper coordination level. He uses the word trusted. He uses the word protected. He never says protected from what. A third identity arrives. This one comes with a company credit card. The card is in the name of a real-sounding company. The limit is $25,000. Your job with this one is different. You're not forwarding invoices, you're creating them. Vendors that don't exist, services that were never rendered, expenses that never happened. David Chen sends you a template. You fill it in. You feel your hands hesitate over the keyboard for exactly 4 seconds. Then you hit send. Level 6. The paranoia. You start noticing things. A car that parks on your street 2 days in a row. A LinkedIn connection request from someone with no photo, no connections, no history. An email to your personal account, not the company one, asking if you work for Viridian Solutions Group. You don't reply. You screenshot it. You email David Chen. He replies in 4 minutes. Disregard. Likely a recruiter scraping public data. You're fine. You're fine. You repeat it to yourself. You are not fine. You start reading about shell corporations at 2 a.m. You learn the term straw man. It means someone whose name sits on documents to absorb legal liability. Someone real in a chain of people designed to be invisible. Someone exactly like you. You close the laptop. You open it again. You keep working. Level 7. The offer you can't refuse. David Chen sends a document. It's a restructuring agreement. He wants you to become the registered director of one of the entities. On paper, legally. Just a formality, he says. The pay increase is $6,000 a month. You would be the named director of a company you know nothing about, that operates in 3 countries, that has moved millions of dollars through accounts you've touched. Your name, your signature, your liability. You type back asking for more details. David Chen replies in 4 minutes. He doesn't give more details. He gives you a number to call. You call it. A different voice, no name. Calm, flat. He says 2 things. 1, you'll be taken care of. 2, you already know too much to say no. He hangs up. You sit in your apartment, the one you upgraded, with the furniture you bought with money you can no longer fully explain. You open your bank statements. 18 months of deposits, all of it connected, all of it documented, all of it yours. Level 8. The registered director. You sign the agreement. Your name goes on the filing. Your passport scan is submitted to a corporate registry in a small European nation you've never visited. You are now legally the director of Northgate Capital Logistics BV. You have never been to the Netherlands. You don't speak Dutch. None of that matters. What matters is your name is there, attached to accounts, attached to transactions, attached to decisions you never made, in rooms you never entered, between people you never met. The money is good. The silence is suffocating. You don't sleep clean anymore.
Level 9. The knock.
It's a Tuesday, 7:14 in the morning. You're on your second coffee. The knock is not aggressive. It doesn't need to be. You open the door. 2 people. Business clothing. Calm faces. They show you a badge. They say your name. Your real one. Not Marcus Webb. Not any of the others. They say they have some questions about your role at several entities. And they list them. All of them. every name you've touched. They're not there to arrest you. Not today. They hand you a card. They tell you to get a lawyer. They leave. You close the door. You look at the laptop on your kitchen table, the one they sent you. You don't touch it. You think about David Chen, who replied in 4 minutes, every time, no matter the hour. You call his number. It doesn't exist anymore. You search Viridian Solutions Group. The website is gone. The LinkedIn page is gone. The email bounces. The company you worked for, the company that paid you, the company whose name is on your contract, has dissolved. Officially, legally, cleanly. Like it was never there. Like it was built to disappear. And all that's left behind is you. Your name. Your signature. Your bank account. Your problem. Final level. The cycle. 6 months later, you're sitting across from someone in a coffee shop. They found you through a friend. They have a job offer. Remote. Flexible. Well compensated. The company is called something like ArcLight Global Partners. The salary is $4,200 a month. For what they're describing, that's too much. You notice. You smile carefully. And you start asking very different questions than you did the last time. Because now you know what this is. You know exactly what this is. The only question left is which side of the table you want to sit on.